Have you ever felt lonely cooking for your family? Have you ever want to learn a foreign language? Well, you're not alone. There are many people in the world feeling that way. Hi, my name is Roseo, and I've been in those shoes when I volunteered to be a caregiver and cook for my grandmother and other family members without any cooking background. And in the process, I found a secret recipe to learn foreign languages in the kitchen. By the way, are you tired of a divided society and a divided world? Are you tired of seeing wars in your country or in other countries? This has never been a better time to think about commonalities rather than fighting over differences. One commonality I know we all have is that we need to eat. So hit the subscribe button to learn how to cook, to learn foreign languages, and make this world a peaceful and a loving place. This is my cooking instructor and language instructor, Tuna, and this is the filming director, Derek, and we will see you in future episodes. So better buckle up because it's going to be a wild ride. Woo!